Hey guys, it's me Danny here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be solving my Rubik's Cube, but since I'm not an expert yet, I'm going to be using this thingy I got when I got my key cube, this one, the speed cube, and I don't know how to solve the whole thing. I can solve the white side, the whole 2 layers, and the the yellow cross, and then I have to use this. So yeah, I'm going to get started and time myself. It's already mixed up, scrambled, and yeah, okay. I'm gonna just inspect first, and then I will start the timer. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm just gonna get the first layer. I'm using a kind of a slow method because I don't know any like really fast speed cube methods. Okay. And last piece. Okay, almost there. I hope I don't mess up on this part. The method I use for my second layer is the fastest method, which I think it is. Oh, I'm done. Okay, wait, you know what? Yeah, okay. Now it's time for almost me to use it. Okay, now I have to look, and I have to look at what I'm on. Something's wrong. Oh wait. Oh never. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, okay. Oops. I think I messed up. I looked at it wrong. Okay. Well. Anyways. I think I messed up. No, I didn't. Okay. All right. On the last part. This part I also have to use it. And there, I'm done.
Nice.
Oh, okay. I messed up because I was looking at this the wrong way. So I wasted like 5 seconds.
Nothing more than that.
Like 6 seconds?
Oh,
7 seconds? 10 seconds? Yeah. Well, I mean, I did it, but my fastest time was 1:40. Yeah, it was 1:40. It has it on that paper. But I don't know. I'm happy with my time though because like I don't know. I never did it on camera, so.
All right, that's cool. Awesome. Say bye.
Bye bye.